Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from Skrill to Western Union. Skrill does not offer a direct option to send funds straight into Western Union, so you'll need to use your bank account as the bridge. First, log into your Skrill account, go to Withdraw, and choose your linked bank account. Enter the amount, confirm the withdrawal, and wait for the funds to arrive, which usually takes 1 to 5 business days. Once the money is in your bank, head over to the Western Union website or mobile app, or visit a local Western Union agent. Select Send Money, choose the destination country and delivery method, then enter the recipient details. Finally, fund the transfer using the money you received from Skrill in your bank. And that's it. That's how you move your money from Skrill to Western Union safely and easily. Subscribe the channel for more videos.